guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to play two-player matches on eFootball mobile so you can compete with your friends locally or online. So let's get started. Open eFootball on your mobile and go to the match section from the main menu. Simply go to the match section. Then here you can select local match, that is right here, or friendly match, depending on whether you want to play on the same device or against our friend online. If you are playing on same device, both players will use the split screen controls that appears on screen. Player 1 uses the left side and player 2 uses the right side. If you are playing online with a friend, make sure you both are logged in and linked as a friend in eFootball mobile. Invite your friend to match and start playing. It is as easy as that, but make sure you are friends with your partner on eFootball mobile app. You can check your friend list by simply clicking on the 2% figure right here, and you can check your friend list right here. And that's how you can play two players on eFootball mobile. Grab a friend and enjoy head-to-head matches. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and tag your gaming buddy in the comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.